पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन पब्लिक अफेयर्स कमेटी ने न्यूयॉर्क में थैंक्स गिविंग डिनर का एहतमाम किया। एपी पैक के चेयरमैन डॉक्टर एजाज अहमद का कहना है कि कम्युनिटी को अमरीकी सियासी निज़ाम में अमली तौर पर शरीक होना चाहिए।
अमेरिका में थैंक्स गिविंग डे के मौके पर पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन पब्लिक अफेयर्स कमेटी ने न्यूयॉर्क के इलाके क्वींस के मकामी रेस्टोरेंट में डिनर का एहतमाम किया, जिसमें कम्युनिटी की कसीर तादाद शरीक हुई। तकरीब से खिताब करते हुए काउंसिलमैन बैरी ग्रेडनविच ने कहा कि इस बात की खुशी है कि एपी पैक पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी को अमरीकी सियासत में अमली तौर पर शरीक होने की तरगीब दे रही है।
I said, you really have to love it. You really have to want to work with people. I started this morning at one of our most diverse schools, Middle School 172. It was great to see these young people. They asked me to swear in the student organization. And so we give them an oath of office and we take some nice pictures and the parents come. And it's very special. And it's a way to introduce children to government. Because we, as President Lincoln said, of the people, by the people, for the people. He wasn't kidding around. His words ring down through the ages. We live in difficult times. There's no question about this. And your comments that people should even think about whether somebody is a Muslim or a Christian or a Jew or a Hindu or a Sikh or an atheist, it really shouldn't matter. We're all here together. We're all Americans, and that's what matters.
इस मौके पर एपी पैक के चेयरमैन डॉक्टर एजाज अहमद ने शुरका से खिताब करते हुए कहा कि हमने बहुत मुख्तसर लोगों के साथ इस सफ़र का आगाज़ किया था और अब ये कारवां बन गया है। पहले दिन से कोशिश रही है कि अमरीकी मुआशरे में पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी को बेहतर से बेहतर मकाम दिलाया जाए।
We are active in Texas, also California, Nevada, New Jersey. So we are doing everywhere a lot of activities. But I want to really give credit to people who started with me, and I want to acknowledge them. I have seen some of the board members are here. To start with, I see Asif Chaudhry is here. Thank you very much. Can you please stand? Thank you very much. I see Tariq Khan Saab. Thank you very much. Asad Chaudhry is here. Asad Chaudhry is not here. Aslam Beg Saab. Thank you very much. Please stand up. Thank you very much. And Shahad Sayyed Saab, thank you very much. Is there any other board member here which I am missing? And then when we started this organization, we incorporated, we started doing legal work, getting opinion from the attorneys, how to do all the activities. Then I met Athar Tirmizi. Athar Tirmizi, Athar, can you just raise your hand so everybody knows that it's you? So he actually has worked in government, and we asked him if he can run day-to-day operations. Thank you very much for coming and buying into our vision.
तकरीब में पोलियो के शिकार वेटलिफ्टर नवीद भट्ट को भी खुसूसी तौर पर मदऊ किया गया और उन्हें लास वेगास में मुनक्किदा मुकाबला जीतने पर तारीफी सनद भी पेश की गई। एपी पैक के चेयरमैन डॉक्टर एजाज अहमद ने मेहमानों की आमद पर उनका शुक्रिया अदा किया। तकरीब का इख्तिताम पुरतकल्लुफ अशाइये पर हुआ।